If you're looking for the university experience of your dreams, then 2616 South Manhattan Place, Los Angeles is the student accommodation that makes it all come true. Your sleek new ensuite features a warm bed for restful nights, cozy study nook to get you going, and a TV with satellite or cable plus speedy Wi-Fi for endless entertainment. Your kitchen is fully equipped with a microwave, oven, coffee maker, and dishwasher. Whether you cook, bake, or brew, cleanup is easy. From fresh linens for added comfort to an iron with ironing board, your everyday essentials are already in place. On-site laundry facilities mean no more tiring laundromat runs, while regular cleaning in common areas and dependable security keep life hassle-free. Let's talk campus proximity. USC Viterbi School of Engineering and University of Southern California are moments away by car, making your timely arrival to class inevitable. Explore the City of Angels seamlessly with a bus from nearby stops at Western or Washington and the subway at Wilshire. Come to 2616 South Manhattan Place, Los Angeles, via amberstudent.com today.